Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to find your Netflix password while logged in step by step. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix account, open it. After that, go and click on My Netflix. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Click on Account. Wait a little bit until after that, click on netflix.com/more on the top of the screen. Click Continue. And it will open a new window for you on your web browser. Click on Manage Account and it will take you to this screen. So if you saved already your password, you can see it. To see it, you have just to click on the place of email and click on password for netflix.com on your keyboard. And as you can see, so my iPhone filled in an automatic way my email and password, and to see the password you have just to click on the eye icon next to the password and the password will be shown to you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next